Okay guys, let's talk about classification of bacteria. So bacteria are classified into three types, which are the first, the rigid thick-walled cells bacteria, the flexible thin-walled cells bacteria, which are also called spirochetes, and the third, which are the wall-less cells bacteria. So let's start with the rigid thick-walled cells bacteria, which are also classified into free-living extracellular bacteria and the non-free-living obligate intracellular parasites like Rickettsia and Chlamydia. And so let's go and talk about more about the free-living extracellular bacteria, which are also classified into three: the gram-positive, the gram-negative, and the acid-fast. And you can see the acid-fast are Mycobacterium, and which causes tuberculosis and leprosy. So let's talk about the gram-positive. The gram-positive are also divided into the cocci and the rhodes. For the cocci, we have Streptococcus, which causes pneumonia, pharyngitis, and cellulitis. And we also have Staphylococcus, which causes abscess of the skin and other organs. So for the gram-positive rhode, now we have the spore-forming and the non-spore-forming. For the spore-forming, we have Bacillus, which causes anthrax. We have Clostridium, which causes tetanus, botulism, and gas gangrene. While for the non-spore-forming, gram-positive rhodes, we have Corynebacterium, which causes diphtheria. We have Listeria, which causes meningitis. We have Actinomyces, which causes actinomycosis. We have Nocardia, which causes nocardiosis. Okay guys, let's move on and talk about the gram-negative. So for the gram-negative here, don't forget we are still under the free-living bacteria, classification of free-living bacteria, whereby we have gram-positive, and this is the gram-negative. For the gram-negative, we have the cocci and the rhodes. For the cocci, know that we have Neisseria, which causes gonorrhea and meningitis. And for the gram-negative rhode, know that they are classified into the facultative anaerobe, anaerobes, and aerobes. So let's talk about the facultative anaerobes. As you can see, we have the straight and we have the curved. So for the straight ones, we have Haemophilus, which causes what? Meningitis. We have Bordetella, which causes whooping cough. We have Legionella, which causes pneumonia. We have Brucella, which causes brucellosis. We have Francisella, which causes tularemia. We have Pasteurella, which causes cellulitis. We have Yersinia, which causes plague. We have Escherichia, which causes urinary tract infection. We have Enterobacter, which causes urinary tract infection. We have Serratia, which causes pneumonia. We have Klebsiella, which causes UTI and pneumonia. We have Salmonella, which causes enterocolitis. We have Shigella, which also causes enterocolitis. We have Proteus, which causes UTI. So for the curved facultative anaerobes, we have the Helicobacter, which causes peptic ulcer and gastritis. We also have Vibrio, which causes cholera. We have Campylobacter, which causes enterocolitis. Okay guys, let's move on and talk about the aerobe, the gram-negative aerobes. You understand? We have the Pseudomonas, which causes pneumonia and UTI. And for the gram-negative anaerobes, we have Bacteroides, which causes peritonitis. Okay guys, I hope you understand that particular complex presentation. So don't forget, I told you at the start of this video that we have what? We have the rigid thick-walled, and these are the flexible thin-walled spirochetes. Example of them, we have Treponema, which causes spilis. We have Borrelia, which causes Lyme disease, and we have Leptospira, which causes leptospirosis. So don't forget about the last classification, which are the wall-less cells. An example of it are the Mycoplasma, which causes pneumonia. So bye for now.